nowhere has the effect been more evident than at Thursday's pre-race drivers' meeting.
I'm tired of losing my friends and my friends getting hurt. I don't know about you guys. I hope you got a lot of consideration for other competitors instead of a lot of balls and no brains. We don't need that in this sport. I've been upside down here at Daytona. I've been upside down at Talladega. And let me tell you, it hurts, okay? These cars just don't drive down the straightaways and flip upside down by themselves. They just don't spin out by themselves. They just don't go flying through the grass by themselves. That happens because we hit people. We run into each other. I'm just as guilty of it as anybody else. I'm trying to change. Earnhardt, Ernie, myself, Kenny, all of us, we've all done it. We're trying to get to stop. Use your head. If the car does not handle, it's not going to fix itself. Make a pit stop and work on it. Please respect each other. We can do that. There's no problem with that. Anybody got anything else to say?
No, he's right. We're just 18-foot car won't fit in a 9-foot hole. There ain't no way to put it in there without causing a hell of a mess. We had a reality check this week, you know, with a couple guys. It's the first race here. We got to use our heads.
I think everybody's got more concern for this race than they've had in a long time. And I think I even go out on a limb and say that I think every damn body in this room is running a little bit scared. And I will tell you, my wife is running damn scared, and I think the rest of your wives and families are too. So use your damn heads, please. I think that's for sure.
Okay, one more.